Welcome to our exciting journey into the realm of nerve health. Navigating the challenges of nerve damage or neuropathy can be a tough road, but fear not. In this video, we're unveiling the top 5 oils that promise not just relief, but a natural boost for your nerves. But first things first, don't forget to hit that like button and smash subscribe to stay in the loop with our health and wellness adventures. You wouldn't want to miss out on the latest nuggets of wisdom, would you? Now let's dive into the intriguing world of nerve support. Whether it's caused by diabetes, injury, or other sneaky culprits, nerve damage can be a real pain, literally. But we've got the secret weapons to combat it. So before you take any action, always consult your healthcare provider. Safety first. Peppermint Power Unleashed ***. Kicking off our nerve-nurturing journey is none other than peppermint oil. This isn't just your go-to for fresh breath. It's a powerhouse against nerve pain. Scientific studies reveal that peppermint oil, armed with analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, is your knight in shining armor. Picture this: a soothing massage with diluted peppermint oil, offering a cool sensation that not only gives temporary relief, but might just contribute to the overall healing process. And wait, there's more. The aroma of peppermint oil might even give your mood and cognitive function a boost. It's like a spa day for your nerves. Lavender love for your nervous ***. Next in line, we have lavender oil, the aroma that whispers tranquility and relaxation. But guess what? It's not just a pretty scent, it's a nerve-soothing superhero. Packed with analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects, lavender oil is your go-to remedy for nerve-related discomfort. Imagine a gentle massage with diluted lavender oil, melting away tension as the calming aroma surrounds you. Not only does it calm the nerves, but it also works its magic on improving sleep quality. Say goodbye to restless nights. A few drops of lavender oil in a diffuser might just be your ticket to serene slumber. Chamomile, the gentle nerve whisperer ***. Meet chamomile oil, the gentle giant in our lineup. Derived from the chamomile flower, this oil has been cherished for centuries for its soothing properties. And when it comes to nerve pain, it's a game changer. With anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, chamomile oil targets nerve-related discomfort like a precision missile. Imagine a soothing massage, and not just for physical relief, it goes deeper. Chamomile oil's calming effect on the nervous system creates an environment perfect for nerve recovery. Aromatherapy enthusiasts, rejoice. Inhaling the gentle scent of chamomile induces a state of calm and tranquility, extending its healing touch to your entire well-being. Studies even back up chamomile oil's prowess, showcasing its anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects in animal models of neuropathic pain. Rosemary revelation ***. Hold on to your hats, because we're about to explore the enchanting world of rosemary oil, a multitasking marvel that goes beyond spicing up your dishes. Rosemary oil isn't just a flavor enhancer, it's a secret weapon for your nerves. Picture this: your nerves feeling like a chaotic tangle of headphone wires all knotted up. Enter rosemary oil, the untangler, with its stimulating properties. It's like a gentle wake-up call for your nerves, coaxing them into action and enhancing blood circulation. Improved blood flow means your nerves get a VIP buffet of nourishment, a feast for your neural network. But that's not all. Rosemary oil flexes its anti-inflammatory muscles like a cool breeze on a hot summer day, swooping in to tackle the fiery flames of nerve pain and inflammation. The secret? Bioactive compounds like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, which have been proven to combat inflammation and soothe irritated nerves. Now, here's where you become the nerve massage maestro. Dilute a few drops of rosemary oil with a carrier oil, and with your nimble fingers, give your nerves a soothing dance, a symphony of relaxation and relief. Imagine your nerves reclining on a plush, cloud-like massage chair, saying, "Ah, this is the life." But hold on, this isn't just anecdotal. Science has joined the rosemary research revolution. A study published in the journal Neurochemical Research delves into the neuroprotective effects of rosemary extract, showcasing its inflammation-reducing and pain-relieving properties in a rat model of neuropathic pain. Impressive, right? But a word of caution: handle rosemary oil with care. Dilute it properly before applying it to your skin to avoid any unwanted tickling of the nerves. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying medical conditions or are taking medications. Now, without further ado, let's move on to our nerve-nurturing climax. Helichrysum Harmony ***. Behold the captivating helichrysum oil, a true champion in the realm of nerve healing. This precious oil holds the key to unlocking your nerves' regenerative potential. It's like a nurturing coach for your nerves, guiding them towards rejuvenation and renewal. And let's not forget its anti-inflammatory prowess, adding an extra layer of support by reducing inflammation and soothing irritated nerves. When diluted and gently applied to the affected area, helichrysum oil becomes a beacon of healing for your damaged nerves. It's like a warm embrace, comforting and relieving the pain and discomfort that often accompany nerve damage. Picture this: a transformative healing experience as you massage this golden elixir onto your skin. You're inviting your nerves to embark on a rejuvenating journey. But we're not just spinning tales here. Science backs it up. In a study published in the journal Molecules, researchers investigated the effects of helichrysum oil on nerve regeneration in a rat model of sciatic nerve injury. The results were astonishing, revealing that helichrysum oil promoted nerve cell regeneration and exhibited potent anti-inflammatory effects. Imagine your once weary and damaged nerves being nurtured and revitalized by the power of helichrysum oil. It's like a symphony of healing, each note harmonizing to restore your nerves to their vibrant and resilient state. With each application, you're embarking on a healing ritual, reminding your nerves of their innate capacity to regenerate and thrive. But a gentle reminder: choose a high-quality pure oil and dilute it properly to ensure safe application. And, of course, consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new remedies, especially if you have underlying medical conditions or are taking medications. And there you have it, the grand finale of our top 5 oils for nerve damage: peppermint, lavender, chamomile, rosemary, and helichrysum oil, all offering unique properties to help alleviate nerve pain, reduce inflammation, and promote nerve regeneration. Now it's your turn. Have you tried using essential oils for nerve damage? Which ones have you found to be the most effective? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more valuable content on health and wellness, and consider sending a super thanks to support us in creating more helpful videos like this one.